Peace and blessings to you all, man. I'll see you guys in the next one. 100 of those! Energy, energy, energy! Adam, forever. Peace. Energy, energy, energy! It's your man, Adam, fit forever. We back outside again for another 100 of those on day 36. We outside with the snow in our way. You would have made an excuse. You would have found a reason, somebody to blame. You would have blamed the snow. The snow can't even talk, God damn it. That's insane. That's insane. We ain't blaming nobody. We all here to put in the work. Another 100 of those. So let's rock out. Let's rock out. There we go. We on the float. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo. We're on day 36 for another 100 of those for 60 days. You would have blamed the snow. The snow is inevitable. The snow, the rain, the mud, it's all inevitable. Problems is gonna come your way. Problems is gonna come your way. But it's not about a problem. It's about how you handle a problem. It's about what you do about that problem. You gotta attack that problem. You gotta charge. You gotta go get it. I'm after the goal on day 36. I'm gonna go get it. I want it all. How hungry are you? How hungry are you? I'm extremely hungry. Snow can't stop me. Snow can't stop me. Outside temperatures can't stop me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 40, 40 up, 40 down. You're going crazy with it. You 40 burpees in 3 minutes. You gotta eliminate the excuses. I just need a little bit of room. I just need a little bit of thought process to keep going, to keep my head on the swivel. You would have made an excuse. You would have said it's too cold. You would have find someone to blame. You would have find a reason to blame someone. You would have find a reason to blame the snow. The snow don't even have mouths. The snow can't even see you. That's crazy. That's crazy. 8 out of 10 piece. Let's get it. Work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 50 piece. 1, here for 60. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 60. Yeah, 60 piece. You're only under 4 minutes, 5 minutes with this. Might break another record. My official record is 9:36 for 100 burpees for every minute of a minute. Let's get another 10 in. Breathe with it. 1, 2. You're at 36 for 60 days. 100 burpees. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 70, 30 away. 30 away from the goal. From rising up from the ashes like a phoenix. This is how you get it done. No excuses. Stop looking for something to blame or someone to blame. You're looking at your friend group to blame. You're looking at your girlfriend to blame. You're looking at your boyfriend to blame. You want to blame Mother Nature. Now this is how we get it in Mother Nature. We're for 80. Whoa. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 80, 20 more. You like 7 minutes in? You can get 20 piece. You got time frame. And another 10 minutes, same thing. You can kind of try to keep improving, breaking our own records though. And try to keep improving. Did it 9 minutes, 30 seconds. We're gonna go to do it on the 9 minutes now. Let's get it done. We're on 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're watching. 6. Can't let that stop you though. 7, 8, 9. Kids watching. The teacher's watching. But the only important people that's watching right now is the Most High, the most important person. Most important being rather than another person. So that's what you gotta worry about the most. Stay true to who you are. Last 10. Last 10. Keep grinding. Keep growing. Put a loss upon what I first. 2, 3, 4, 5. Finish in about 8 minutes, 9 minutes. Alhamdulillah. Woo! 100 of those. Probably another record time for me. That's the goal. Every day you want to get better. If you've been doing the same thing over and over for a duration of time period, don't complain, don't make excuses, don't moan about it. Just get it done, do it, and try to improve upon it every single time you do it. Improve upon your last record. You did 100 burpees in 10 minutes, try to do better the next one. It's you versus you. It's a battle with yourself every single day out here. So keep grinding and keep growing. Put Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala first in every single thing that you do. And always knowing that no matter where you go, no matter what you think you know, always give it 110% of everything in life, including burpees, right here on the floor, in the snow, because that's indeed the motto. All right, man. All right, man. I just wanted to come out here and give you guys that little quick motivation. If you got any motivation and inspiration from the video, like the video on your way out, smash the subscribe button, and I'll make more videos just like this throughout the whole entire 100 of those burpee journey. We got about 25, 24 days left. I don't know. I don't care. I'm just enjoying it, embracing every moment, enjoying the journey, and I'm taking it as I'm going, because I'm keeping it going. You feel me? So salute to you guys for supporting, for watching the video throughout its entirety, and peace and blessings to you all, man. I'll see you guys in the next one. 100 of those! Energy, energy, energy! Adam, forever. Peace.